We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced capital city names and country names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the capital city of the country of Namibia in Africa. There are two different ways of pronouncing this name. In British English, this is often said as Windhoek, Windhoek, with a V sound, Windhoek. In American English, however, it is normally referred to as Windhoek, Windhoek in American English, or Windhoek in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of cities and countries whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.